Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are all fine. Well, in today's video, you are going to learn about 3 unusual animals, okay? But before you do, I want you to try to name these animals on your own. Can you name these animals? Okay? My second question is, how would you describe each animal? For your description, I want you to look at the animal's colors, shape, tails, so this is the tail of the animal, teeth of the animal, the background here, and I want you to write your descriptions in a piece of paper using a pencil or a pen. Okay? Are you ready? Good. Now, here you have the animals' names, actual or real names, okay? You have tomato frog, ring-tailed lemur, and Nile crocodile. So based on the pictures, I want you to match the words to the animals. Okay? Pause the video, and again on your piece of paper, I want you to write the letter and match it to the number. Okay? You finished? Good. So here are the correct answers. So number 1 is the Nile crocodile. Number 2 is the tomato frog. And number 3 is the ring-tailed lemur. Okay? Again, for pronunciation, Nile crocodile, tomato frog, and ring-tailed lemur. Okay? Good. In the next slide, you are going to learn a little bit more about these 3 unusual animals. But first, I want you to try to think and answer the questions. So open your books, pupil's book, to page 71. Take your pencils and try to answer these 6 questions based on what you think, okay? Or on the descriptions of the animals, their names, whatever you choose, okay? So the first question is, which animal do you think lives in caves? Which animal do you think lives in the trees in the jungle? Which animal do you think lives in the mountains? And if you notice, caves, jungle, mountains are animal habitats from last lesson, okay? Why do you think crocodiles are brown? Why have lemurs got tails? Why do you think that? Look at their tails, okay? Look at their tails. And why are tomato frogs red? Why do you think their color is red? Pause the video, use your pencil, and write your answers next to the questions, okay? At this point, there are no right or wrong answers. You're just going to think, write what you think, okay? Good. If you finished, keep playing the video. In this part, you are going to listen to the correct information and check your answers. And here, you're going to correct with a green pen, okay? Leave your predictions written with a pencil and write the correct answers with a green pen. Okay, here you go.
Pupil's Book, page 71. 4. Listen and check.
Tomato frogs are bright red. They are red because other animals don't like eating animals of this color. These frogs live in trees in the jungle and eat small animals.
Ring-tailed lemurs live in mountains and forests. Their long tails help them climb trees and move in the forest. They need to climb trees because they eat fruit and leaves.
Nile crocodiles live in lots of countries in Africa. Sometimes they live in caves. They are brown, the same color as the ground and the dirty water. Their color helps them to hide and catch other animals and fish to eat.
Okay, good. So, if you have written all of the answers, that's good. Keep playing the video. If not, I'd like you to go back, listen again, and try to finish your answers first. Okay? Good. Now I want you to take your green pen and answer the questions and correct your answers. So, which animal lives in caves? It's the Nile crocodile. Which animal lives in the trees in the jungle? It's the tomato frog. Which animal lives in the mountains? It's the ring-tailed lemur. Why are crocodiles brown? Because it helps them to hide. Why have lemurs got tails? Because it helps them climb trees and move in the forest. Why are tomato frogs red? Because other animals don't like eating red animals. Okay? I hope that you had most of the answers correct. If not, pause the video and correct your answers using a green pen. Okay? Good. Well, I hope that you learned a little bit more about these three fascinating animals. If you like to learn more, you can just go on YouTube and there is plenty of information about these animals. And thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.